It will be there, actually not exactly vanished from this area, but it will be there till first morning as a depression, and after first also after becoming a depression, it will be impacting the south Andhra Pradesh coast and that area. So today and as well as tomorrow, it will be impacting that North Tamil Nadu as well as South Andhra Pradesh. And this strong wind, now it is 80 kmph, gusting to 90 kmph, but it will gradually decrease. After some time, it will become 60 to 70. And then by evening time, it will become, it will be the squally wind, 50 to 60 kmph. But thereafter, it will be there, and rainfall, mainly that extremely heavy rainfall will be there over Tamil Nadu, northern Tamil Nadu coastal belt, and heavy to very heavy rainfall will be there also south coastal AP area.
तो सर, गिबास साइक्लोन की वजह से साउथ के कई इलाके हैं जहां भारी बारिश हो रही है, जनजीवन प्रभावित हो रहा है, क्या कुछ प्रेडिक्शन है, कब तक लोगों को राहत मिलेगी?
आज तो शाम तक राहत की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है, क्योंकि सिस्टम ये अलोंग दी कोस्ट नॉर्थ की तरफ बढ़ते रहेंगे और शाम तक चेन्नई के आसपास करीब 30 किलोमीटर समुद्र के अंदर रहेगा। सो बारिश लगातार आज पूरे दिन चलती रहेगी उधर। एंड साउथ कोस्टल एपी के कहे तो वो कल तक वहाँ बारिश होगी, और आसपास की जो थोड़ा सा इलाका रायलसीमा या तेलंगाना में, वहाँ भी एक दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में भारी वर्षा होने की तो संभावना है।
Not only India, Sri Lanka is also deeply affected.
Yeah, Sri Lanka, actually that's impact over Sri Lanka actually now already reducing, and already reduced. Now it is from Jaffna very far from, so Jaffna where we can see that this is the tip of North Sri Lanka, so it is very far from Jaffna. So now it is only isolated heavy rainfall sometimes occasionally will be happening, but mostly the weather is over Sri Lanka. But now our coastal belt will be impacted till another day.